Hey, shivering denizens. Sorry I've not been around for a few days. After 50 episodes, I needed a brief time out, but felt motivated again tonight to push another episode. I'm going to go a bit more easy in the coming weeks and just do 2 or 3 per week to keep my small audience topped up with some meditation goodness. So welcome to episode 51. I'm going to switch things up today and start out with the daily reflection and then go into a meditation after. Let me know in the comments which way round you'd prefer it. So, without further ado, find somewhere where you will not be disturbed for the next minute and make yourself comfortable. The reflection of the day is living it, or more specifically, living the spiritual life. So most people, when they come into 12-step recovery, shudder at the G word. We don't come in easily, and if we've summoned the courage to make it to a 12-step meeting, then it's because it's the last stop on the line. It's not like there are other options at this point, and we come in selfishly because we simply can't seem to stop drinking and or using by ourselves. The last thing I came in for was to discover a spiritual way of life. However, once we're in the doors, it quickly becomes apparent that the program is not really there to help you stop drinking or using. Rather, it is there to help you live life without drinking or using. There's a subtle difference in that wording, but a profound difference in the meaning. By getting ourselves out of the way a bit and gaining our own understanding of a bigger picture, a power greater than ourselves, we can learn to love and care and feel compassion for our fellows. We can seek answers from this higher power as to why we were gripped by our addictions. It is the spiritual life that rids us of the obsession that we originally came in wanting removed. Now onto a bit of meditation to give you some time to be present in the moment. I'll guide you through a few simple exercises, and this should help you calm your mind, and maybe, if you have a higher power of your own understanding, you'll receive a little wisdom in the silences between my ramblings. Close your eyes and make any adjustments you need so you can feel comfortable, alert and relaxed. Bring your attention to your breath. And in order to practice keeping your attention here, simply silently count each breath as you breathe in your normal rhythm until you get to about 10. I'm doing this along with you and I'm up to 3. I've done 6. So you should be up to 10 by about now. Feel the warmth spread across your body as you melt further into relaxation. Now I want you to focus on your body. Take a brief scan from head to toe, identifying body parts, movements, or physical abilities that you can appreciate. If you find something you can appreciate, maybe saying a silent thank you every time something comes to mind. Take the next minute or so to appreciate your body and be present in the moment. Now bring your attention back to your breath as your body buzzes with appreciation, back into the present moment. Imagine a circle drawn a mile around you right now. Wherever you are, imagine this circle 1 mile around you. Turn your attention onto everything within that circle. Perhaps it includes your living space, trees, loved ones, neighbours, animals, or even meaningful locations. For the next moments, let your mind scan everything within this circle and simply appreciate each of the things that you can identify. Now bring your attention back to your breath and feel the warmth and love and appreciation for your surroundings. Take a deep breath and now imagine yourself in relation to the entire planet. See yourself in your corner of the world, so small compared to everything and everyone on Earth. Also recognize how significant you are as this small part of this beautiful humanity. And be present in this moment right here. Take a moment to think about all of the reasons to appreciate the world around you, and say a silent thank you as you identify each of these reasons. Perhaps your appreciation is for breathtaking places you've been or seen, or people who you love and who are scattered in different countries. Even a deep appreciation for this very moment in time that you are living. Whatever you discover, take a moment to show appreciation. Bring your attention back to your breath and breathe in the warmth of the love and appreciation inside and outside of you. There is so much greatness in your life right now. No matter what you're going through, no matter how you may feel today, you are surrounded by infinite blessings. Bring your attention inward to the unidentifiable place that is your soul, where your inner self feels most at home. You are connected to it all. You are part of it all. The body, the locale, the global, the universe, the deeply spiritual. As you sit in appreciation of the present moment, of the magical truth that you are incredibly blessed, feel a deep sense of oneness and completeness within yourself and your life. If you've made it to the end, then now would be a great time to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps me stay motivated to keep making more of these if I know people find them useful. A link to another meditation will pop up for you now to try if you'd like to do another one right now, Otherwise, subscribe so you can come back and try a fresh reflection and meditation on another day. Keep coming back.